Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Minecraft Preview on PS5. So what you want to do first is of course log into your Minecraft, and after that you want to go to the settings right there. On settings, all you need to do now is go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page until you will see Preview. Here it is. And then press Get Preview for PlayStation 5. Now it will be free if you already have Minecraft, so just press download. After it will download, you're gonna press play beta. And after that, you will, of course, will need to sign into your Microsoft account. I'm not gonna do that now. Just gonna press and press play preview. You can create a world here, and let's, for example, create. And here you have it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.